LED stands for light emitting diode. So what that means, as opposed to having one globe in your traditional lamps, you have a series of smaller LED diodes. LEDs use 40 to 60% less energy than the historical lights that we've had out on our network. The councils themselves now are seeing better lighting levels for our customers, making it safer. Environmentally, of course, that does lead to less carbon emissions, better for the environment. Operationally, it reduces the amount of actual night patrols we'll have to do, less maintenance. So we actually change from having to replace the lights every 4 years to only having to clean the lights. Generally, their failure rates compared to traditional lights are a lot lower. So we're getting a better product and it reduces the actual cost for the councils to deliver safe lighting for their communities. We've got a lot of representative groups which are conglomerates of councils across our network, and we've worked with all of those to ensure that they're also comfortable with the rollout. So it's a really good team effort across the business with externals and councils. We're talking about a product that we are responsible for installing and maintaining, but it's owned by the councils. So without upfront stakeholder negotiations and stakeholder relationships and building those relationships with all the councils, across 86 of them, there was a huge risk that that would impact how we rolled the LEDs out. Because we did it up front and because we did it well, we've had a reasonably successful rollout. If you look at the current state and head for 5 years from now, there most likely will be a very large uptake of smart everything, not just street lighting. And with smart controllers, smart lights, everything else that's coming onto our network, it'll be a totally different place to work. We'll have information at our fingertips. We'll have lots of opportunities to look at ways to improve our processes and to look at how we actually manage our work based on the information we get back from all these smart tools that are on our network. It allows us to get information from those streetlights. It allows us to better manage entire lighting levels for councils, and with the appropriate controllers, it allows the councils themselves to control their lights. They can change colours on the lights, they can look at lighting levels for the time of day, they can look at when the lights are turned on or off based on daylight savings, things like that. So smart street lights themselves have a lot of benefits across our network for us engineering wise, but they also have a lot of benefits for the councils. The benefit for us engineering wise would be that we get real-time data on how things are performing, and it gives us a data point across our network because streetlights are across all of our network. We've trialled some controllers. We're investigating which control mechanism we wish to use across our smart network, and once we've determined that, then we'll look at procuring the right type of controllers that'll suit the councils and us. Big thanks to all the external stakeholders who have helped us to roll the project out.